Hi everyone, my name is Jean-Philippe Batry and I'm the product manager of the BLK2GO PULSE, our handheld first-person scanner. And today we are here at the 100 Years exhibition at Leica, and I would like to give you a quick demo into our new BLK2GO PULSE. As you see here, we have it already equipped with a smartphone where the BLK Live app runs. It's highly recommended but not mandatory. You can also use the sensor without any app. That works just fine. However, for the best first-person scanning experience, we definitely recommend the smartphone with the BLK Live app, because on the display it shows you what the sensor sees and makes this whole capturing experience very intuitive. So as you see here on the app, we are able to create jobs where we store our scan in. And as you see, we already created 100 Years Leica, and in there we will start creating a new one, as simple as pushing this start capturing button, and the sensor tells me what I need to do. In this case, I should initialize by walking slowly. I don't do so, and the smart system will detect this and give me guidance. So it says, please start walking, and I will start walking. As you realize by now, there is no table stand needed anymore for initialization. We can do it completely dynamically. And now we are already in the first-person scanning experience, where you see immediately the colorized point cloud from the perspective of the sensor. Both in 2D and in 3D view, in real time, what you capture is displayed in full colors. At any time, we can adjust the two layouts. So here, for example, I would like to have the 2D view a little bit bigger. And of course, at any time, I can review my data in 3D, even while capturing. Once I'm fine with reviewing it, I jump back to first-person scanning experience and I continue my data capturing path. At any time, I can also capture a detailed image, special object of interest, and it will shoot a 12 megapixel high-res camera image, and it will store it on the location where I'm currently standing. And like this, I continue my capturing until I have all the objects and scenes captured what I'm interested in. So let's continue a little bit more with this column here, as this might be also of interest. Nicely visible the colors. And now I'm more or less done, and I will just stop my data capturing. Once I finish my data capturing, of course I can review my data from various perspectives. I can fly through, but more important, I can also export the data. For this, I go into my job menu where I have several functionalities. One of those called export, and here I can choose if I want to export my colorized complete point cloud as an E57, the trajectory of my walking path, or the detail images. In this example, we will choose E57. I press export, and it will be super quick, as the data with here less than 30 megabytes is pretty lightweight. I will save this to my files, and that's it. The point cloud with the colorization has been stored. Another way to make use of the data immediately is to upload from the field to Reality Cloud Studio. Just select here Reality Cloud Studio, confirm that my mobile data will be used. I select in RCS my project, for example here BLK2GO PULSE, into my PULSE folder, and confirm by saying uploading here. What happens now is that the data directly from the sensor with the app and the smartphone will be uploaded to Reality Cloud Studio. It's basically the B2G file format, which contains all the scan data plus all the additional image data and metadata. So this means then in Reality Cloud Studio, we can also process a colorized point cloud as well as a texturized mesh. So basically the same features and functions as you know also from the other supported sensors. And this is in a nutshell our workflow of first-person scanning experience with the BLK2GO PULSE, where you easily, intuitively walk through the scene and capture what you need. Thanks a lot.